Imagine that you're flying over the ocean, and instead of seeing endless blue waves, you spot something incredible: millions of shimmering solar panels floating effortlessly on the water, soaking up the sun's energy to power entire cities. Crazy, right? Well, it's not science fiction. Floating solar farms are already here, and they're changing the way we produce renewable energy. But here's a question. What if we could turn our oceans into massive power stations? What if we could generate unlimited clean energy without taking up any land? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the future of floating solar farms. In this video, you'll discover how floating solar farms actually work, why they might be even better than traditional solar farms, challenges that could hold them back, and, of course, where they're already making a big impact around the world. And stick around till the end, because I've got a mind-blowing fact that might just change the way you see solar power forever. Alright, so what exactly is a floating solar farm? Think of a giant raft floating on the surface of a lake, reservoir, or even the ocean. Instead of people sunbathing on it, there are thousands of solar panels soaking up sunlight to generate electricity. These panels are mounted on special floating platforms, designed to be waterproof, durable, and able to handle waves and wind. The power they generate is then sent through underwater cables to the mainland, where it powers homes, businesses, and industry. Imagine sailing past a floating power station. That's the future we're looking at. Now, you might be thinking, why put solar panels on water instead of land? Great question. Here's why floating solar farms are a big deal. First, they save land. Regular solar farms take up huge amounts of land that could be used for farming, forests, or how. But floating solar, it doesn't take up an island. This is perfect for crowded countries that don't have space for big solar farms but have plenty of water. Second, they're super efficient. Solar panels get hot, and when they overheat, they lose efficiency. But on water, they stay cool, which means they generate more electricity than land-based solar farms. In fact, studies show floating solar panels can produce up to 15% more energy, more power, no extra effort. Third, they help conserve water. Covering lakes or reservoirs with solar panels reduces water evaporation, saving millions of liters of fresh water for drinking and farming. And of course, floating solar farms fight climate change by reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and cutting co-emissions. Of course, no technology is perfect. So, what are the big challenges? First, durability in harsh environments. Oceans are not calm lakes. Strong waves, salty seawater, and storms can damage floating solar farms over time. But engineers are working on more durable designs that can survive even the roughest conditions. Second, high cost. Right now, floating solar farms are more expensive to install than traditional ones. Because of the special materials and anchoring system, prices are dropping fast, just like they did with regular solar panels. Third, environmental impact. Will blocking sunlight affect fish and marine plants? Some studies show it can actually reduce harmful algae growth, which is a good thing. But more research is needed to ensure ecosystems stay balanced. Floating solar isn't just an idea, it's already happened. Let's check out some real-world projects. China has built the largest floating solar farm in the world, a 1-gigawatt project in Shandong province. That's enough to power over 1 million homes. India is embracing floating solar, too. The NTPC Kiamkulam floating solar power plant in Kerala is generating 92 megawatts of clean energy while helping conserve water. Spain is setting rules to allow floating solar plants on reservoirs, making them a major part of their renewable energy plan. And guess what? More countries are jumping on board. Floating solar farms aren't just a cool innovation, they're a crucial part of our clean energy future. They save land, boost efficiency, and help fight climate change, all while producing massive amounts of electricity. So here's the big question for you. Do you think floating solar farms could power our future? Would you support them in your country? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting tech update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.